watched another video where the person took out this, took off, I'm trying to see, I guess this is like some kind of rubber seal here. I'm gonna just try to maneuver it out. I took it out, here it is. I'm gonna put it right here. Get my, there's the new light. And now the old light is in there. There's a little thingy, you just press it down. You press it and it pops right up. I guess that secures the light bulb. And here's the light bulb. Alright, I took the old one out. Here's the new one. Put the new one in. Push it in the little grooves there. Then you press this bracket back down. You can hear it click. Now you just put that right back onto the back of the light bulb. Press it in. Oh, I just realized I forgot to put the rubber back on. Just unplug this really quickly and then bring this bad boy back in. And it just snaps right back in. You just push it in there. Put that right back on. So I am a sucker for DIY videos. So last night I realized that the headlight was out on the Honda CRV. So I had to come to you guys with a new video. Went to the store this morning, got the headlight. I did not take a picture beforehand, but definitely the light was out. So I'm going to show you the change. Stay tuned.